In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download English Bible app. We will use the YouVersion Bible app, which is a very popular free Bible app that includes several English versions, audio, and reading plans. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. When the Play Store opens, you should see the home page with apps and games listed. If you do not see it right away, look for the colorful Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, then just tap it once and wait for it to load fully. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You will usually see the word search there in light gray text. When you tap it, the keyboard should appear at the bottom of your screen, and the cursor will blink in the search field, showing that you can start typing. Now type YouVersion Bible app into the search bar. Check your spelling before you continue, since even a small typo can change the results you see. After you finish typing, look at the suggested results that appear under the bar. You can either tap the matching suggestion or press the search key on your keyboard to run the search. From the search results, select YouVersion Bible app plus audio by life.church. You will know you have the right one when you see the familiar brown Bible style icon and the name YouVersion Bible app plus audio. Under the name, it will show the developer as life.church, which helps you confirm it is the official app. With the correct app selected, tap Install. You will see the Install button in green on the right side of the app page. Once you tap it, the button will change to a progress indicator, and you may also see the download size and a small progress circle, so you can track how much is left. Now wait for the download to finish. The time this takes depends on your internet speed, so it might be a few seconds or a bit longer. While this happens, you will see the progress bar fill up until it reaches 100%, and the word installing will appear briefly before it completes. After the install completes, tap Open. The button that previously said Install will change to Open, and tapping it will launch the YouVersion Bible app for the first time. You should now see the app splash screen, followed by the main welcome or sign in screen. On the welcome screen, sign in or tap Skip to start reading. If you already have a YouVersion account, signing in lets you sync reading plans and highlights between devices. If you choose Skip, the app will take you straight into the Bible section so you can begin reading immediately without creating an account first. Finally, choose your preferred English Bible version, such as KJV, NIV, or ESV. On the Bible screen, tap the version name at the top to see the list of available English translations, then pick the one you like, and the text on the screen will change to that version right away. You have now downloaded the YouVersion English Bible app and picked your preferred English translation, so please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple app guides like this.